Hi everyone, hope you are doing good and are safe at homes. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 3 different hairstyles for wavy hair which are going to be super easy, but at the same time they are going to be very chic and it will look put together. Now in order to achieve the voluminous curls, or you could also say the wavy hair texture, today I'm going to be using the Truman's hot pink wand, which comes with 32 mm straight curling wand. This one has variable heat settings from up to 140 to 220 degrees Celsius. It will give you a frizz-free styling with a tourmaline ceramic coated barrel, 2.5 meter salon grade 360 degree surveil cord, and also to save you from burns, heat resistant plastic made cool tip. Now to know how I achieve these voluminous curls which look like beachy waves, you can go ahead and watch the video given in the description box below. After you're done with this one, I have explained each and every step in detail in that video. So now I'll quickly curl my hair and then we'll get on to the hairstyles. Alright, so now I am done curling my hair. It looks very beautiful. I love the way it turned out. And now let's move on towards the hairstyles. Hairstyle number 1 which I'm going to show you guys is known as half up half down hairstyle. It is my absolute favorite hairstyle and I love to do it whenever I'm filming a video or even if I'm stepping out of my house. It really suits my face shape and at the same time it looks beautiful. For this hairstyle you will either need a hair tie or a scrunchie, whatever you prefer. Okay, so I'll start parting my hair into 2 sections from the top of my ears. Then I will gather all the hair from the front and make a ponytail on the crown. I'm leaving some hair from the front just to frame my face. This step is completely optional. Once you are done with the ponytail, you can adjust it accordingly. Depends on how high or low you want to keep it. And that is it for the first hairstyle. It's quick and simple. Moving on to the second hairstyle, which is called the double twisted hairstyle. For this you will just need 2 small elastic rubber bands, preferably in black color. Then take a small section from your crown area and tie it with the rubber band. Now I made a slit in my ponytail and passed the rest of my hair through it, as you can see. I will lose some of my hair from the top just to give a nice texture. Then I took another section and repeated the same process. The third hairstyle is going to be the classic high ponytail. But in this one I have a trick for you. I will part my hair vertically into two equal sections and tie them both separately using a small rubber band. This extra step will make your ponytail look more voluminous and not droopy. Then I will tie both of these sections together with a bigger hair tie. And voila, you are done. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this one. All the purchase links for this hot pink wand will be given in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye.